Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. In this video, I am going to show you how to make mozzarella sticks. This recipe is very easy to make, perfect for snacks and party appetizers. Serve with marinara sauce. Let's see what ingredients you need. 8 ounces mozzarella cheese, or you can use string cheese. 2 eggs. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 2 to 3 tablespoons water. 2 cups Italian-style breadcrumbs. Cooking oil for frying. Let's get started. Cutting cheese in half, then standing on edge and slicing in half again. Then cutting into 4 equal sections. That will make 16 sticks. Toss the cheese sticks into flour. Then put in a strainer to shake off excess flour. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Add water and whisk till mixed. In another bowl, add Italian-style breadcrumbs. Coat the floured sticks in the mixture. Coat the cheese stick, then shake off excess crumb, then set aside. Repeat the breading process by dipping it into the egg mixture, then breadcrumbs again. Then place in freezer for at least 2 hours. This will helps to prevent cheese blowout during cooking. In a pot, add cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add cheese stick and fry until golden brown for about 1 minute. Remove to the plate. Remove to a paper towel to catch the oil. Then transfer to a plate, serve with marinara sauce. Enjoy!